Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I made this mega drop down bar. So this is for like a website or a landing page, and it's pretty simple. The icons or the images are from ChatGPT. So I generated this in ChatGPT. I just asked it to. I gave these keywords first, so these 6 keywords, and I asked it to create a spreadsheet of those icons, illustrations. I asked it to make it like Ultra HD, and I gave some references on this exact artwork, and it made these illustrations. So I just copy pasted it. The all the ChatGPT images have this like yellow tint. I just color corrected it a little bit here, and I pasted it. That's it. So the images are from ChatGPT. The text is Geist font, and it has some stylistic alternatives. So the A looks better here, and the L looks better. So I added some stylistic alternatives to the font, and it just makes a little bit unique rather than being the same as the Geist font. And everything else is auto layouted. So this section is an auto layout. We have the title here, an auto layout for the each feature section, and an auto layout for the text here. And this drop down has a very small shadow. Probably can't see it, so it's just one layer shadow like this. So it just gives little depth. We probably can't see it in video, but in the image it has like a little depth, which looks good for very modern interfaces that doesn't have any shadows. And the header, I added the logo, some drop downs in auto layout like this, and all of this is in auto layout, and this is spread out in the auto layout, and we added a button here, and that's basically it. So the main attraction of this is the images, and adding images like this makes or breaks the design, especially for things like landing pages. We can add a good abstract image or good image that just tells us what this is, and adds a little bit of character. So yeah, the images are a good indicator of something that works or not. So in your landing pages, in your feature section, add good images. You can generate them in Midjourney or ChatGPT now, so there's no reason not to. And yeah, that makes the design. So let me know if you want more videos like this, breaking down design patterns and how I do it. And yeah, I'll make more. Bye bye.